Imagine YouTube itself telling you the next step to take in order to improve your channel. This includes telling you how your channel is performing, the next video to post, suggesting thumbnail and titles, and also telling you the trending topic at the moment. With this, you do not have to stress yourself. You just have to open your phone and ideas start popping up instantly. Last 2 weeks, I opened my studio app, my YouTube studio app, and I got a notification about this feature, but I didn't pay much attention to it. Then after some days, I uploaded a video, and after some time, I left it for I think about 1 hour or 2 hours. Then I went to check the analytics. Going to check the analysis, I saw this tool making suggestion on what I can do and how I can improve this said video, and I decided to check it out, and I was wowed. I was amazed. Well, YouTube just introduced a new feature, a new tool, which is called the Ask Studio. And with all honesty, most YouTubers do not know about this tool and how it works. In this video, I'm going to show you what it is and how this Ask Studio works, and how you can use it to also grow your channel faster. Hi my faves, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time of you coming across this channel, hi, my name is Favor, and on this channel I share simple real tricks and tutorial to help you grow on YouTube and the online space. And if this feels like your vibe, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and also leave a comment for me. Now let's get to know this new AI feature and also explore it. Are you wondering what the Ask Studio I talked about earlier is? Ask Studio is a new AI feature inside the YouTube app, inside the YouTube Studio app, the Chrome extension, that allows you ask questions about your channel, always guessing your analytics. You cannot ask questions. Ask questions like which of your videos are performing better, your views are dropping, and what kind of content should you post next. This Ask Studio will give you ideas, thumbnail, just like I said earlier, thumbnail suggestion and strong title suggestion. Also get answers based on your channel data, that's specifically for you, not like general, not like other tools that just give you general ideas. You get answers based on your channel data. This is basically like having a YouTube coach. Isn't that interesting? At the end of this video, make sure you watch to the end of this video, because at the end of this video I will tell you common mistake people make with this Ask Studio and who these Ask Studios are for.
So to access the Arc Studio, you have to go through your Chrome browser. You open your Chrome browser. You type, for those who doesn't have this this YouTube Studio extension, you go to Google or Chrome. You type www.youtubestudio.com and you just type on the option it's going to give there. So I've been opening the studio extension, so it's going to take me direct to my channel. So when you land on the YouTube Studio interface, you're going to see where there is your channel icon bar, your notification bar, your create bar. Then between your create bar and the inquiry bar, that is your channel inquiry bar, you're going to see a little icon there, like it's a star like icon. That star like icon, that is the YouTube Ask Studio icon. When you tap on that star like icon, it's going to bring out an interface that shows like a AI interface that you can interact with. You can ask questions and anything. Like, look at this one, it gives you more suggestion about your channel, summarize my channel performance, give you content idea. If you do not want, if the suggestion that the AI gave you, you do not, is that it doesn't go with what you want at that particular time, all you have to do is type what you want to ask. You can type anything about your channel. You can ask, how do I get views, how do I grow my subscribers, how do anything at all you want to ask about your studio app, about your channel. You can ask this AI and it's going to give you data based on your channel. Like, it's not going to give you a random data, a random answer. It's going to give you detailed explanation. Like, it's so detailed. Like, when I asked, what did I ask? Give me the next content idea, and it gave me like from what I already produced, like from what I already have on my channel. It gave me content idea and also gave me out of what was already in my channel. Like, I was so wild. This Art Studio is one of the good things that will happen to new YouTubers this year. You do not have to go around searching or asking Google or other tools what you can do. All you have to go is just go to all you have to do is just go to your Chrome extension of the YouTube studio and just get your answers, because it's going to give you a very detailed explanation. This one is not like, what do they call it, cut and join, but no, this one is very
One of the
detailed.
mistakes that people make with this art studio is depending on it blindly. A lot of people, after discovering this feature, now depends on it blindly. They do no longer make research or no longer make use of their creativity. The mistake people make is that when art studio suggests video ideas, you do not also learn to pick out the ones that doesn't go with your niche. That's because as you might be doing something at a certain time in your channel and try to jump into another niche. But then when you ask Julia about your channel performance, and he's going to summarize. See, I don't know, the AIT is going to summarize everything that is happening in your channel for you. He's going to suggest these video ideas for you. You should also know which one is peculiar to your niche. But not the least mistake that people make is just reading the suggestion and not applying them. Yes, a lot of people make mistake. I was making this mistake at the start. At the start of this journey, I just go through the way we just go to chat GPT, ask question, we just blah blah blah, read it, and we are not applying it. When you ask question, make sure you're applying one or two ideas from the answers being given to you. Like I said earlier in the video, I'll also be saying who these features are for. These features are for those who is trying to grow their YouTube channel. You do not know what to post next. You do not know what content ideas to post next. People that this AI tool are for are those struggling with views, because it's going to, when you ask a studio questions, it's going to help you ideas that will improve your view, that will attract people to your channel and improve your view. And even growing YouTube channels that want better ideas to grow their channel. If you have watched this part of this video, thank you so much for being here. This has brought me to the end of this video. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and also share this video to your loved ones so that they can also learn. Always, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.